Imagine a desolate Earth, a planet where human presence is but a distant memory. Skyscrapers crumble, reclaimed by nature, as plants and trees grow through the cracks of once bustling buildings. Rusting vehicles litter silent highways, remnants of a time when humans ruled the roads. Cities stand empty, monuments to a vanished species, overtaken by the relentless march of nature. This is a world without humans, a haunting vision of what could be. A chilling thought, yet a question lingers. When will this bleak scenario become reality? Will it be sooner than we think? When will humans join the countless species extinguished throughout Earth's history, leaving behind only ruins and fossils? The answer, like the future itself, remains uncertain, shrouded in a complex interplay of potential threats and human resilience. Our fate hangs in the balance. This essay delves into the existential question of human extinction, exploring the myriad factors that could lead to our demise. We will explore the potential causes, from climate change to nuclear war, from pandemics to asteroid impacts, each posing a significant threat. We will examine the predictions of scientists and futurists, analyze historical precedents, and learn from the past to understand our future, and contemplate the potential impact of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, which could either save us or hasten our end. Climate change presents a pressing threat to human civilization. Rising global temperatures, driven by greenhouse gas emissions, are triggering a cascade of devastating consequences. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe, causing widespread destruction and displacement. Sea levels are rising, threatening coastal populations and infrastructure. Changes in weather patterns disrupt agriculture, leading to food insecurity and conflict.
The scientific consensus is clear. Climate change is real, human-caused, and demands urgent action. Failure to address this crisis could result in catastrophic consequences for human societies, potentially leading to large-scale societal collapse and even extinction.
The specter of nuclear war has haunted humanity since the dawn of the atomic age. The destructive power of these weapons is unparalleled, capable of obliterating entire cities and unleashing catastrophic global consequences. While the Cold War may be over, the threat of nuclear annihilation remains.
The risk of accidental or intentional nuclear detonation persists. Geopolitical tensions, proliferation of nuclear weapons, and the potential for miscalculation or miscommunication all contribute to this ongoing threat. A full-scale nuclear war would have devastating consequences for human civilization and the biosphere, potentially leading to a nuclear winter and widespread extinction.
Throughout history, infectious diseases have ravaged human populations. From the Black Death to the Spanish flu, pandemics have shaped the course of civilization, leaving behind a trail of death and societal upheaval. The emergence of novel pathogens, coupled with increasing global interconnectedness, raises concerns about the potential for future pandemics, potentially even more devastating than those of the past.
The COVID-19 pandemic served as a stark reminder of our vulnerability to infectious diseases. Antimicrobial resistance, climate change, and ecological degradation are all factors that could contribute to the emergence and spread of deadly pathogens in the future. A highly contagious and lethal pandemic could overwhelm healthcare systems, disrupt global supply chains, and potentially lead to widespread societal collapse.
Section 5. The celestial threat asteroid impacts. While less immediate than climate change, nuclear war, or pandemics, the threat of a catastrophic asteroid impact looms large in our planet's history. These celestial objects, often traveling at incredible speeds, have the potential to cause widespread destruction.
The dinosaurs, along with countless other species, met their demise millions of years ago when a massive asteroid slammed into Earth. This event created a crater over 180 kilometers wide and released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. While such events are rare, they are a stark reminder of our planet's vulnerability to celestial hazards. Even smaller asteroids can cause significant damage, as evidenced by the Tunguska event in 1908, which flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest in Siberia.
Scientists estimate that there are thousands of potentially hazardous asteroids in our solar system, some large enough to cause significant damage upon impact. These objects are constantly monitored using advanced telescopes and radar systems. While efforts are underway to detect and track these celestial objects, a large asteroid impact remains a low probability but high consequence event that could have devastating consequences for life on Earth. International collaborations and space missions aim to develop strategies to deflect or destroy potential threats before they reach our planet. Section 6. When machines rule, the rise of AI. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has sparked both excitement and concern.
While AI has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives, it also raises profound ethical and existential questions. Some experts warn of the potential dangers of superintelligent AI, machines with cognitive abilities far surpassing our own.
The potential for AI to surpass human control, intentionally or unintentionally, raises concerns about our future as a species. The development of autonomous weapons systems, the potential for algorithmic bias, and the possibility of AI-driven economic disruption all highlight the need for careful consideration and ethical frameworks to guide the development and deployment of this powerful technology. Section 7. Collapse from within ecological disaster. Human civilization is inextricably linked to the health of our planet's ecosystems. We rely on these complex webs of life for essential services such as clean air and water, food production, and climate regulation. However, human activities are pushing these ecosystems to the brink, threatening the delicate balance that sustains life as we know it.
Deforestation, habitat loss, pollution and climate change are driving biodiversity loss at an alarming rate, pushing us closer to a potential ecological tipping point. The collapse of key ecosystems could trigger a cascade of consequences, disrupting food chains, undermining agricultural production, and potentially leading to societal collapse.
Section 8. The human spirit, adaptability and innovation. Despite the daunting challenges we face, it's important to remember that humans are remarkably adaptable and resilient creatures. Throughout our history, we've faced countless obstacles and emerged stronger, our ingenuity and determination allowing us to overcome adversity and thrive.
From the development of agriculture to the scientific revolution, from the invention of the printing press to the digital age, humans have consistently demonstrated an uncanny ability to innovate and adapt to changing circumstances. This capacity for innovation, coupled with our inherent resilience, gives us hope that we can find solutions to the existential threats we face.
Section 9. Confronting our mortality. Strategies for survival. Acknowledging the possibility of our own extinction is a sobering thought, but it's not a cause for despair. Instead, it should serve as a call to action, a reminder of the urgent need to address the challenges that threaten our future. By confronting our mortality, we can find the resolve to protect ourselves and future generations.
Investing in sustainable technologies, promoting international cooperation, fostering global solidarity, and tackling existential risks head-on are crucial steps towards ensuring our long-term survival. By embracing a future-oriented perspective and working together, we can navigate the challenges ahead and create a world where humanity can continue to thrive.
Section 10. A future worth fighting for. The question of when humans will go extinct has no easy answer. It is a question that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and thinkers for generations. The future, as always, remains unwritten. It is a blank canvas, waiting for us to paint our story upon it. While the challenges we face are significant, even daunting, they are not insurmountable. We have faced adversity before and emerged stronger. We must remember that we have the power to shape our own destiny. Our actions today will determine the world of tomorrow. We are not passive observers in the face of existential threats. We are the architects of our future. We are active agents, capable of making choices that will determine the course of our future. Every decision, no matter how small, contributes to the larger picture.
By embracing our collective responsibility, by harnessing the power of human ingenuity, we can overcome any obstacle. By choosing cooperation over conflict, and by acting with urgency and determination, we can build a better world. We can create a future where humanity not only survives but flourishes. The future is not something to be predicted, it is something to be created. Let us create a future worthy of our children and grandchildren, a future where humanity continues to shine its light in the vast expanse of the cosmos. Together, we can make this vision a reality.